Time to kill fruit flies. Here's 3 homemade recipes that are proven to work: stop stinging, larvae, and multiplication. Now for each bait, you're going to need a trap. Take a plastic bottle, drill 3 holes near the top, wrap some wire around the top, hang it from a branch. Bait number 1, cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of dried baker's yeast, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. The sugar will activate the yeast, and to be honest, it'll start to sting. Now the yeast reflects fermentation, which attracts the female fruit flies at the point where they've actually mated already and they're looking for protein sources so they can be fueled up to lay their eggs and finish the job. Now in my environment, I caught Queensland Fruit Fly, I caught truckloads of vinegar fly that came from the compost bin just down below. Second recipe you can try for a homemade bait is a cup of fruit juice, a tablespoon of vinegar, and a tablespoon of sugar. Now the vinegar wards off the bees, basically does the same thing. The fermenting sugars release a fruity smell that attracts flies in search of ripe fruit. In here, I caught some vinegar flies and some house flies. Now, this next recipe is for Mediterranean fruit fly. So for this third trap, the ammonia trap, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cloudy ammonia, 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Now, the ammonia smell, again, stimulates females seeking protein. So after they've mated, they're coming in for a protein source before they're laying their eggs, and you can do some damage there, breaking the life cycle. Also known to work for Queensland Fruit Fly, but in this instance, I didn't catch any. Few vinegar fly. Now, when you're setting these, homemade baits need to be separated 2 meters apart in fruit trees to make sure you get the little guys. So as soon as your tree starts to fruit, change them every 4 to 7 days is the recommendation. I don't have any Mediterranean fruit fly in my climate, and although in this video I'm focusing on Queensland fruit fly and Mediterranean fruit fly, these traps are likely to work for Oriental, Mexican, and peach fruit fly. The reason I'm focusing on those 2 main ones is because they're the ones that do the most economic damage, and there's actually been research and field trials on them.